Hello everyone, welcome back to MEB Work channel. Today's video we will know how to draw HVAC duct elbow in AutoCAD, the 90-degree elbow and the 45-degree elbow. First, to draw a duct, draw a line. Then take offset from this line. For example, the duct size will be 800 times 300. Draw offset from this line with distance 800, offset 800, take offset from this line and offset from this line. The second step is to draw a fillet. The fillet radius will be the width divided by 4. The width divided by 4. 800 divided by 4 equal 200. So the fillet radius will be 200. Select radius and 200. Select this line with this line. The third step is to take an offset from this arc with 800, or the duct width in our case is 800. Select offset 800 and select this arc. The fourth step is to draw line and complete this elbow. Line from this edge to this one, from this one to this one, and the final step is to trim these lines. TR. This is a duct elbow with 90 degree. Remember that the fillet is the duct width divided by 4. The second case is the 45-degree elbow. Draw a duct with 45 degree. Take offset with 800 from this line and this line. The second step is to draw a fillet. The fillet radius in this case is the duct width divided by 2. So in this case, the fillet radius will be 400. So make a fillet and select radius, take it 400, select this line with this line. And the third step is to take an offset from this arc with the duct width, offset 800. The fourth step is to complete this 45-degree elbow. The final step is to trim these lines. And this is the 45-degree elbow. Remember that the fillet radius is duct width divided by 2. and in the 90-degree elbow, the fillet radius is duct width divided by 4. We finished our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you and see you in the next video.